Okay, so I am now in the middle of deep cleaning this room. Oh my word, it's a mess. So I am going to just kind of give you a little peek at what I've done so far. I've already showed you a peek before this. Can you guys see this? Look how gross that is under there. Oh my goodness. I gave you a peek already at what it kind of looked like when we got the table out of the room. Now I'm moving things around, rearranging, sorting through everything. There's Cooper sleeping. It's just very, very messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what I'm dealing with right now. So this is the mess that I have before me right now. And I am obviously like pulling out everything and sorting everything and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. And lots of random things have ended up in here as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try to just figure out basically what is from last year that we don't need anymore. Like a lot of things in these bins or in those fabric bins. Those are the types of things I need to sort through. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do over here because, well, this stuff we don't need. There's like some bug spray and some cleaner and some, have you guys ever used these? I'm going to go off topic for a second. These Mr. Murphy's, no, not Mr. Murphy's, just Murphy's, Naturals, yeah, mosquito repellent incense. I don't know, but it's like deep free and all of that. What is even in it? I don't know what is in it. Rosemary oil, peppermint oil, citronella oil, lemongrass oil, cedarwood oil, and then the sawdust that makes the incense burner. Anyway, I haven't actually used it yet, but I thought, I mean, we can sit right out here on our deck and have one of these burning in like a bowl of sand or rice or something like that. So, I don't know. If you've ever tried this, let me know. Oh, and look at my nails. They're awful. We've been just like moving furniture and it's just been a mess. So, anyway, back to what I was trying to say. So over here is kind of like this catch-all where the kids dump things that they find. I don't even know what's in this bag. Okay, so this bag has stones and shells. We've got all other kind of things. This thing's really cool. We found it at the beach. And everything else we found in our backyard. So even like these beautiful stones right here, like those are just from our backyard. But anyway, I need a place for all this stuff. And I'm planning on moving this shelf. I think I'm planning on moving it over here to where I put this big blank spot now. And I'm thinking, comment below if you think this is a good idea. I'm thinking of putting like a smaller little table here that would have space underneath it where they could put their backpacks, because they all have backpacks that they use every single week for school. So I was thinking a place for their backpacks and then some type of table, possibly even like the same height as this windowsill here. And then they could keep all of their rocks and plants and creatures and I don't know, we've got a snake skin right there. Lots of different things. So, yeah, I think that might work. So you can comment down below, but I'm wondering if by the time I make this video for you guys, I may actually have an idea and have something over there. But anyway, this desk is going completely. That will not be in here anymore. And then all of these like cube storage shelves will either be open like the top ones are, or the bottom ones will have the baskets, the gray fabric ones. So yeah, that's the plan right now. But all this stuff here, all of this needs to be sorted through. So much stuff. And I've got to figure out what I'm doing. And I've got to obviously majorly clean out that gross shelf right there and move the printer. So I'll be back in just a second with an update. It's the end of the day. As you can probably tell by the darkness outside. I know I did so much, but somehow this just doesn't look any better than it looked before. It looks worse. All I've done is just kind of move things around. Obviously, I decided to put the desk over here. And I have these little hooks under it, which I'm thinking I can maybe hang the backpacks from. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to test that one out. I'm not sure if I want the desk in here. I kind of want something smaller. And then I've got one bag for donations and one bag for garbage. And then that huge tall pile of stuff that needs to go either on the bookshelves or in the homeschool room. And the smaller pile next to it is stuff I need to kind of file. Yes, and all of this I need to sort and sort and sort and sort. So, oh my gosh, this is a huge job. It's a really, really big job. So, I will be working on this again tomorrow. So, it is about 3 weeks later now, and basically my homeschool room turned into a hazard. So, the new table that we ordered was delivered. And I think I shared a little bit about this in my update. That's kind of more about Gregory's health, but I also shared about what happened to me in that video. So we had the table delivered. They didn't have the hardware to install it, which frankly, in my opinion, that's a little pathetic not to have the hardware to install the table. So we had to keep the table on the floor. I ended up tripping on it. If you want to hear the whole story, I will link to that story up above for you so you can go ahead and check it out. But I got really, really badly injured. And so the homeschool room, basically everything that you saw on the floor in the last little clip, I organized, I put somewhere in a bin, or I brought it up here. I'm in my office right now. And this is real life, you guys, man. I have no makeup on. I haven't done my hair or anything, but I thought I would just hop on here and just kind of explain what happened. So the room got finished as best it could. It's not done yet. And we got the table finally all installed, that's probably not the word, assembled. We have the table all assembled now, but one of the chairs already broke. So now we're dealing with that. So we have not been happy. So the homeschool room is kind of sort of set up at this point, but I am going to make a separate video that is a full reveal of what the homeschool room actually looks like when it is all said and done. So if this is one of the first videos that you've seen on my channel here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I usually actually wear makeup when I film videos, but I just wanted to hop in here and just kind of finish out this video because I didn't continue filming because, like I said, I was injured. And so I just had some of the kids help me like move things and whatnot and, get it to be the best that it could be. So that's where we are right now. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.